Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me I have the brand new REALME C61 and today I'll do an unboxing and quick look at the device. It claims 208% annual growth in 2021 as the fastest growing smartphone brand in Europe. Flipping it over, we have specs like 45W fast charging, 5000 mAh battery, AI boost engine, 90Hz refresh rate, 48-month fluency, Face ID, fingerprint unlock, and rainwater smart touch. "48-month fluency" means 4 years of security and Android updates, which is actually good. Opening the box, we get a case, paperwork, charging cable, and the phone. The display is a 6.74-inch IPS LCD with 90Hz refresh rate and 720x1600 HD plus resolution. The back has a dual camera setup with a 50MP main camera and a fixed secondary camera. The device uses a Unisoc T61 processor, 6GB RAM, 256GB storage, and expandable storage up to 2TB. The phone is overpriced for what it offers. For about $25 more, you can get the CMF Phone 1, which is a significantly better device. The CMF Phone 1 has a better AMOLED display, better processor, better cameras, and no fake cameras. It also has a clean OS with no bloatware and a unique design with replaceable backs. Overall, the CMF Phone 1 is a much better value for just a little more money. If you found this helpful and my recommendations decent, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.